Get ready, get set, and let's tune it up with Keekah and Friends!
Come on, grab your bags.
Come on.
Looking for adventure. Every day is magic.
Whoa.
Travel the world, let's go.
Let's go.
All we need are lyrics screws.
No lyric.
Every day needs Bella too.
That's me.
Tune it up and dance with the
Tune it
crew.
up.
Oh, I'll be happy when I will. Keekah friends. Fun when I'm with Keekah friends.
And that's how you do it the Keekah way.
Oh no! It's Londyn's birthday, and Keekah and Bella only have 1 hour to make her birthday cake.
Okay, let's do this. Flour, milk, baking powder, vanilla, salt, butter, and eggs. Let's do this.
Okay, friends, we're going to start with the dry ingredients first. Are you ready? The first ingredient is flour. We're going to have 3 cups of flour. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3. The next ingredient is baking powder. We're going to do 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. The next ingredient is salt. And it's actually our last ingredient. We're going to use 3/4 of a teaspoon, aka 1 scoop. Here we go. Okay, and that's it for the dry ingredients. Now we're going to move on to the wet ingredients.
All right, friends, so now we're going to start with the wet ingredients. So I'm going to start with 3/4 cups of room temperature butter. So I'm going to put that in, and then next I'm going to add 4 eggs. So you have to help me count. 1, 2, 3, and our last one, 4. And now our next ingredient is sugar. Sugar is so yummy. I'm super excited. Okay, so 2 cups of sugar. Count with me. Here we go. 1. And 2. Our next ingredient is milk, but not just any kind of milk. It needs to be whole milk. So we are going to need 1 cup of whole milk. Just 1. And our last wet ingredient is 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Yummy.
That smells so yummy. All right, so that's our last ingredient of the wet ingredients. Now I'm gonna mix it. Okay, friends, now that we got all the ingredients in the bowl, we're going to mix them together. Here we go. Ooh, this sure looks yummy. Kind of want to taste it.
No germs, remember.
You're right. No germs. Got it. All right, guys. Now we have the oven set to 345 degrees, and now we're going to put the batter into the pan. This looks so yummy. Okay, Bella, how much time do we have?
Keekah, we only have 5 minutes until Londyn gets here. We're not going to be able to decorate the cake in time. We need Lyric.
Lyric, could you please help us? Londyn's going to be here in 5 minutes.
Time to groove, let's dance!
gonna love it. Awesome! Thank you, Lyric.
You got it. And that's on.
Hi, Londyn.
Hi, Bella.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Is my cake ready?
Of course, come on in.
Here is your birthday cake, Londyn.
I love it so much.
All with the help of Lyric.
Thank you, Lyric. Let's start the birthday party.
I have birthday hats. Here's one for you. And you. Let's go get this party started.
Thank you guys so much for helping us out with Londyn's cake. We had so much fun, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Thank you guys for tuning up with us. Always remember, if you can walk, you can dance. If you can talk, you can sing.